Howdy, Travis from KnowHow here. Many of our customers are on the front lines cleaning up after Hurricanes Helene and Milton earlier this year, and they're getting ready for the next CAT event, whenever that is. And everyone who has done CAT events in this industry successfully will tell you that preparedness is key. You have to know what you're getting into. So many things can go wrong. That's why KnowHow has worked with some industry experts, people who have been through multiple CAT events over the years to help equip our customers with templates for your next CAT event and hurricane preparedness to make sure that you are ready for what comes next. Let me show you some of these templates and where you can find them so you can ensure that your team are doing things the way that you want, regardless of what nature throws at you. Let's jump right in. All right, so I'm on KnowHow here, and if you click up in the top corner here, you'll see where it says Import KnowHow Templates. These are where we have templates built by industry experts and vendors in the industry to make sure that your team can get a head start in doing things the right way. Up at the top, you'll see we're featuring this Catastrophe Response Toolkit. We cycle this every 3 to 4 weeks. So maybe depending on when you watch this video, it'll be different templates that are featured here, but you'll be able to find all of these templates because we don't remove them. And so here you can see these are essential processes for catastrophe event readiness. Here's 8 that we have featured, everything from installing temporary roof tarps to an overview of a typical CAT work. You can see here all the steps that we have in order to be prepared for this CAT work. We've also got links here as well, all the demo tools you might need to use. And if you click View All, you're going to see the list of all of these 30 templates that we have featured for this CAT event preparedness here. So, and if you're viewing this after the fact, just search for the term catastrophe and you'll find the exact same processes that we have here. Here you can see some of the most critical processes that we would recommend based on working with experts, people who have done lots of CAT events, that you should have at your disposal, SOPs, processes that your team needs to access if they are going into a CAT scenario. You can see here we've got some on managing CAT mitigation. We've got other ones on mold remediation, responding to Cat 3 water losses. If you want, you can select any of these processes here. This one looks good too. I'll import this one and then import it, or I can select them all. I'm going to click that, select them all, import them. It's going to give it a second to load. Here are all the processes I'm going to bring into my hub, then click import. And now I will have added these expert-built step-by-step processes into my company Knowledge Hub. Now, if a worker is out on a job site and they're not sure what to do when installing a temporary roof tarp, they can just ask our AI Howie. It's going to pull from this knowledge that you've just given them. You can create workflows on CAT preparedness or training before you go down to do CAT cleanup. Lots of options. You can translate them into Spanish or French or any other language easily at your fingertips. All the information your employees need to do the job right when they're moving into a high stress situation where you need to have a plan. Like I said, these templates are available at no cost to KnowHow members. It's just our way of trying to help support the community and help support the industry that does such important work restoring and rebuilding lives after crazy events like Hurricane Helene and Hurricane Milton. If you want more information on how you can have access to these templates and KnowHow's incredible AI tools, you know what to do. Head to tryknowhow.com. Thanks.